Hello friends, you all know how difficult it is to handle children when their classes are not going on and they have a vacation. So, I have brought you a list of things that your children can do in these holidays and utilize them effectively. This is the time to improve your child's weak areas and work on his or her strong areas to make them even stronger. So let's begin. Under 5. If your child is less than 5 years of age, he or she can do activities like puzzle making. This will keep your child engaged and help him or her develop thinking skills. Drawing. Give them a drawing book and ask them to replicate the picture of an apple doll or something really easy. This will help his or her creative skills. Coloring. This will also be helpful to improve creative skills. Children will start understanding color combinations and schemes. Dance. If your child likes to dance, play some music and allow them to dance. This will be a nice pastime, a good exercise as well as enhancing a skill. Music. If you have a musical instrument at home, teach your child how to play it or just give it to him or her. You will be very fascinated by their reaction. Rhymes. Teach them rhymes using YouTube. This will be so much fun. 5 to 10. Now, if your child is 5 to 10 years old, you can make him or her do the previously mentioned activities, but additionally you can ask them to do these things. Studying. Make them study math and literature. These are the two things that will help them a lot in the future. Most parents don't make their children do this, but this is very important for the proper development of basic concept. Teach them mental math, make them work on their weak areas. A lot of videos are available on YouTube for the same. There are also many books available. Storybook reading. Develop a storybook or a comic reading habit. You can tell them stories or even ask them to read. This helps a lot in improving literature. Do check out my videos on what storybooks your children can read. Art and crafts. Make them do something creative every day. Painting, coloring, drawing, sketching or making something will help them improve their creative skills. Light exercises. Make them do small exercises and pranayam. This will help them stay fit. 10 to 15. If your child is 10 to 15 years old, you can make him or her to do all the mentioned activities, but additionally they should do these activities too. Making a timetable for the day. Before starting every day, ask your children to plan for the day. This is very beneficial habit. Ask them to do small household tasks. You can give and ask them to do small household tasks like making their bed and folding their clothes. Teach them some cooking. Cook easy and simple dishes with them and appreciate whatever they have made. This will be a very fun activity. Let them develop hobbies and interests and do creative things. And with this, I have come to the end of the video. Do try to implement these at home today. Drop a like if you enjoy my video. Subscribe my channel to watch more such videos. And do tell me in comments if you want more videos like this. Subscribe!